Good morning, gang, and welcome back to CCN Garage.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
Today on the menu, we got a Watt box for the SRT4. I've had this thing for a while. It's been hanging out in my parts bin. I haven't found the time to install it, so that's what we're going to do today. It's about time. I also picked up this plug and play harness kit, so I don't have to do any splicing and dicing, which is minty. Yeah, let's move the whips around, get the neon up here, and get to installing. I don't really know what I'm doing for this install. I know we got a plug and play kit, so we gotta plug into some stuff. But other than that, I don't really know what I'm doing. Well, we need access back here. So first thing we gotta do is get rid of the strut bar. And then we can access the connectors we need. Ooh, don't drop that. Oh, can I just move it out of the way? Oh, perfect. Got the Watt box the long way. Okay, what am I looking at? So this goes, oops. This goes into the car. So back in here, right there, that little grommet, we gotta fish this thick boy through it and into the engine, or into the interior. So that's gonna be fun. All right, we got the cord fished through there. Pain in the butt. I just ran it alongside. I got, what is this? Sub wire and one of my gauges. Getting better at that over the years. Still a massive pain in the butt. Just why do they have to put that in such an awkward spot? All right, so step one, we gotta disconnect this, and this will connect there. This can go more inside the vehicle. I haven't decided where I want the Watt box yet. I'm thinking somewhere under the dash, probably on this side, kind of down here, maybe in here or under here. I don't know yet. Somewhere in here. Right. So there's a little red tab under here you have to push to the side. You know what? When in doubt, take it out. There it goes. There. Now we can access it a little better. There she goes. Damn. That shit stuck in there. Okay, so this goes in this way. Clip, lock. Nice, it even comes with a little lock on this side. That's what you like to see. And this goes in like this. Nice, nice. But before I get too far in here, I gotta make sure that I'm not tangling everything in with itself, which I am. So this goes to your TPS, and then this goes to the cam sensor. Okay, we're gonna try and get at this cam sensor without taking the intake off. That sounds like a lot of work. I don't really want to do that. Gotta route this up here, back this way, behind that. Yeah, call that good enough. Come down here, pop this out, pop this in, and this one goes right up here. Nice. Man, this plug and play harness is so nice. Really takes the struggle out of this install. Now, TPS. This is gonna be a little tough. I'm not too sure what y'all will be able to see. Oh, well, that's not even tight. That's probably not ideal. There we go. Get in here. Damn. Wasn't even like clipped in there. This one goes in here, or it's supposed to. There it goes. Yeah. Clip is broken on this for sure. And this goes right up in there. Perfect. Now, we do not want that getting caught in the rad fan. So we're going to zip tie this up somewhere here. Yeah, probably right here. Cut the end of your zip ties off. They look ugly if you don't. Cleans it up. And don't cut it on an angle so you don't cut yourself. I'm going to tuck this probably around here. Yep, sounds good to me. Zip tie it to the vacuum lines. That's pretty much all the stuff you got to do on the engine bay. Now we got to go under the dash, tap into the clutch, and put everything back together here. Well, we have bad news, guys. I broke my mic. This is the like receiver for the wireless mic, and I dropped my phone with this in, and it landed directly on it, and now this is all wiggly, and it's taken the connection off of the motherboard on this thing. So no more mic. Sucks, because it sounded so good. We only got like 1.5 videos out of it. Such an L. Anyways, under here we got this clutch jumper switch, and we gotta get these connectors into this connector. Oh, it does. Okay, you don't have to take apart the connector. That makes more sense. But I gotta get up in here. Oh, my back. Here. And these two get connected together. All right. Now that should be, in theory, everything we need to do So we should be good to plug this in and test it all out and make sure that everything's working as it should before I put it in its final resting place. Okay, let's put this back together. Make sure to squish all your cables while you're at it. Yeah, that should be good. I have dropped this bolt twice and had to fish it out with a magnet twice. Had to hammer it in because it wasn't lining up, but we finally got it in. And it was after that I realized that I had none of it in frame. So that's beautiful. Tighten this back up. There you go. This. There we go. That's now that's not going nowhere. Well, let's go get the computer. We'll hook it up to the watt box so we can tune it. Okay, so as far as I'm aware, the watt box is installed. I couldn't get it to hook up to the computer for whatever reason. I did go through the instructions online and did all the testing that it recommended you did. So we're gonna go test it and see if the two-step works. I can't do it here obviously because this is my house, and if I do that here I'm gonna piss off my neighbors. So we gotta go to Mexico real quick and test this out. So let's go. We have made it to Mexico after a quick short trip. Now let's test it out, see what happens. All right. That's sick. That's sick. I think I might have to adjust that so it pops and bangs a little more though. Let's do that real quick. All right, let's see what this does. Holy crap, I gotta get out of here. Well, seems to be working. So let's get this tucked and put in its final resting place so it's not just sitting on the ground.
How are you, man?
Oh, hey, how's it going?
I'm the guy who has that yellow truck over there.
Oh, really? No way.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Me and my wife think that truck that you got is freaking mint, man.
Oh, hell yeah. I just met the guy who owns the yellow truck down the street there that bagged Stepside Ford. Sick dude. Sick dude. Apparently it's for sale, so if you're in the Alberta area, come check it out. Come buy it off of him. But sick dude. Glad I met him. So I've removed this lower cubby place. I have dremeled a few holes into it to allow the connector in, as you can see down there. So let's get this buttoned up and installed. There we go. All buttoned up down there. She's double-sided taped into place. Ain't going nowhere. That way too I can adjust on the fly with the little button down here. And we should be good to go. Well, that's going to be the end of this video. Stay tuned for the next video. We got some heat coming up. Like and subscribe. Do something.